everyone. Hopefully the wind isn't too loud. We are, ooh! That's probably really loud. We are taking a lake walk. We've got a sad guy back there
because he's eating Dunkin' Donuts in half an hour.
Because somebody was sitting at the table that we can sit at safely. There's no other table we can sit at safely, so the logical thing to do was to wait a half an hour, take our walk, and then eat after. It's a little early for us to eat anyway. We tend to eat later. Shopping center was just strangely busy, but it is earlier than we normally go, so it's probably that. And it used to be sunny. The sun disappeared. I think we got some negative energy bringing the clouds in. But, oh, hello. There's a cardinal up there being very noisy. Anyway, it just seems to make sense to take our walk. We'll be nice and hungry. Hopefully those people will be gone.
I'm not even hungry yet.
We can sit, we can eat and enjoy and not feel rushed. But there's big emotions going on behind me. He's trying to calm down. Sorry, this wind is probably so freaking loud that there's probably captions under here right now. So I'm gonna go before I make more work for myself. Hello, my friends. Welcome to bedtime. I have a little guy who has suddenly decided he needs to go to the bathroom. Of course, after I let him stay up a little late. Excuse the bangs. They could use a washing because I've been deep conditioning them. I didn't wash my hair this morning. They're very soft, though. I will say that. Anyway, you saw me in the very windy clip at the lake. Sorry about that. I haven't watched it back, but I couldn't imagine it not being loud. Anyway, after we did our lake walk, we went to Dunkin' Donuts. The table was free, the drama was over, and we spent $30. Gosh darn it. It's so expensive to eat. Like, it was $18 to just buy the two of them Cinnabon the other day. Like next time you guys have to get ice waters. These bottles of juice just added like $7 to the total. The small cold brew was like $3.60 or something now. It's ridiculous. It's like, how much do you spend on that, making that Dunkin' Donuts? But anyway, yeah, we ate that, and then I was a messaging fool while we were eating. I messaged Jax's neighborhood friend's dad, because they've been super busy and he hasn't been able to FaceTime with them or anything, or see them at the park. So I was like, hey, I know you're busy with sports and stuff, but Jax is terrible about asking schedules in advance, so I was just checking with you guys, see if you can FaceTime or something. And his friend is grounded from devices, but his sister, who Jax is already also friends with, is free sometimes to FaceTime. So they are FaceTiming right now, so that's great. And I was just like, well, let us know if they can go to the park. So I was doing that, and I was messaging Danny to see if he needed me to get anything from the grocery store. I was like, I'm kind of craving salad. He's like, well, I'm gonna be out. I guess he went out to a barbecue place in Percival with friends, I assume. And yeah, so we went to the grocery store in the shopping center, and I told the kids I was gonna get a salad for dinner, and I could make them popcorn chicken, and I asked if they wanted a Caesar salad. Oh, hang on, he wants 15 minutes of screen time, so I'll be right back. And I'm back. Jax messaged me requesting a little bit more screen time, probably doing something with his friend. So yeah, I offered to make them a Caesar salad and chicken for dinner, so we got those things. We got 2 packs of our waffles that we like. Did we get anything else? I feel like we did, but I don't remember. No, I think I just got some more mints for my bag. Yeah, so we're pretty good. We didn't go crazy. Let's see how he's doing. Still going. Then we came home, and did we do anything? It was quiet time pretty much right away, wasn't it? Yeah, we went up to quiet time, and I needed to do Animal Crossing. Oh, I was messaging Paul. Hi, Paul. That was the other person I was messaging. So I went on and checked out my mail. People are amazing in my club again, sending me all the things. So I was responsible and took the things off my wish list. And then I gathered some Nook Mile tickets to send to him. If you know, you know, villager hunting. And then I made myself do the last design for a villager interior of their house, Genji. That was a tough one. I really liked his interior. It was nice, but I'm giving everybody little studio apartments, so he got one, and I might like it when I go back in. But right now, I was just like bleary-eyed doing that for the entire quiet time. I'm not good at screen time anymore because I haven't had much time for it, so I felt a little queasy and headachy after staring at it for like 2 hours. So that's sad that I can't even look at a Switch for that long without feeling crappy. But we came down. Jax got his new game. He did a final push for the last $7 he needed, cleaned his bathroom, read to his brother, just whatever he could, cashed in all his gold points through Nintendo and stuff. So he got his Kirby game and he was playing that while Sebastian watched. I knitted for a little while and what did I do? Then I made dinner. So we ate and I painted. I wasn't going to paint after dinner, but I was kind of feeling it, so going with it, and that gives me more time this weekend to hopefully braid my hair a little bit. I am going to be finishing up this continual picking away at the braids situation that I've had going on for like since November, really. It's just been a nice break from the big 20-hour rush of trying to get my hair changed to a different color. But towards the end of April, I'm gonna make it all one uniform color for the beach, and it's gonna be a dark blonde and turquoise mix, I believe. I've been testing out just dyeing my bangs, and right now they're like a pale pink to go with this. So yeah, painting tonight frees me up from doing so much painting tomorrow. But it's really coming along. I have to do all the detail work in the ears. I got a lot done on one ear and I'm starting on the other, and then I'll go in with the even smaller details. And yeah, I'm happy with it so far, and the client is happy. I heard Danny get home maybe around 8, and then I came up around 8:30 after stopping painting, and yeah, just hung out on the couch waiting for Sebastian. He was watching an old Sonic the Hedgehog cartoon, so I let him go a little over, but that means it is 9:37 and he's pooping. We'd normally be getting into bed, but that's my day. I'm feeling pretty good. Like, my period started this morning, which meant I got an extra day in my cycle, which is great because I'm hoping it like doesn't come in the middle of our beach trip. And right now, if I magically have the length of cycle that is average, and I don't have a regular cycle, it's like sometimes 22 days, sometimes 27 days. The average is 25. If I have a 25-day cycle in April and after our trip, it will come the day after we get home. I know this is TMI, but sorry, periods should be talked about, right? But yeah, most likely I'm gonna have a short cycle because I never have that many long cycles. Long being 26 days that I had this time. I never have those in a row, and then I'll be getting my period in the middle of the trip. But maybe I'll get lucky. I got lucky this cycle, and the timing was good, so I hadn't just taken my aspirin, so far it's not horrible. Most of my pain happens the week before my period, which will be at the beach, but whatever. I get terrible cramps leading up to it, so I'm feeling okay. I just get really queasy, so I've been dealing with that off and on, but I can deal. Tomorrow will probably be the hardest day because it'll catch up with me, even if I plan to skip my medicine tonight. But I'm doing good. All that to say, I'm doing pretty good. And yeah, I'm gonna end this here because I have a feeling he's gonna call me soon. We've already been talking a lot, so yeah. Good night, my friends. You are the best. Stay safe, be kind, and don't forget, wash your hands.